The next problem statement is to find a minimum or smallest element from the given list of integers. So what is the problem statement here is to find a minimum or smallest element from the given list of elements, for which I am initializing the identifiers. One is I want a minimum, I am writing it as min, and array of some size. Next I am initializing one iterator, that is I. So these are the identifiers which are required as part of the code. So I require one more identifier, that is n, to read the number of elements in an array. Printf, enter the size of array or the number of elements of an array. Any message which you want to give it to the user, you can just type within this printf statement. Enter the size of an array. Scanf, that size I am reading it in n, address of n. Scanf %d, address of n. Now we know how to read the elements of an array, right? So in order to read the elements of an array, printf, we are just prompting the user, enter the elements of an array. Enter the elements of an array. Now in order to read the elements, we know we use one for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Scanf %d, as we are reading all the integer elements, that is the reason I am writing %d, address of, what is the array name? ARR is the array name, followed by I. So these elements will be read in an array. Now what is our aim is, we need to find the minimum or the smallest element out of the given list of integers. So first I am initializing min is equal to ARR of 0. So I am considering in the given list of integers, the first element as the minimum element. Now I need to write a logic for this, because I need to check with each and every element. That is the reason I am using this for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than, now total number of elements is n, and I plus plus. Within this I need to write the if condition. If a of I is less than minimum, if a of I is less than minimum, then we need to update the minimum value with a of I. We need to update that minimum value with a of I. So this is how we can use to find a minimum element from the given list of integers. Now once we got this minimum, once we trace all the elements in the given list of integers, we will get the final minimum element. Now we are going to print that final element. Printf, the smallest or minimum number is %d /n. Now here the minimum number is stored in min. So let me execute this code and check sorry, the array name, see, you can clearly understand what is the error message which we got. A undeclared, because there is no declaration which is written for A, that is, it is written as ARR. So please try to use the same name of the array, ARR. So this is how we need to debug the code. If at all, if you are getting any errors, you should be able to track what are the errors which are present in the code and try to modify it. So after modification, once again run the code. Now you can see enter the size of an array. I am saying the size of an array as 5. Out of this elements, I am giving these elements in the random, like 66, 33, 1, 78 and 4. So out of these elements, which is the minimum element? Totally we have given input as 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As soon as we enter, the minimum element is 1. So we will be getting the smallest or minimum number is 1. So how we got this code? How we got this as 1? So let us understand the internal steps of the logic what we wrote. Now let us imagine there is an array which is being initialized with 5 elements. There is an array which is initialized with an size of 5 elements. The first element is in ARR of 0, 66. In ARR of 1, there is 33. ARR of 2, we have 1. ARR of 3, we have 78. And ARR of 4, we have 4. So these are the 5 elements which are there in the array. Now the first minimum element we have initialized as ARR of 0, which means we are considering the first element as minimum element. Just for comparing with the rest of all the elements, first we need to write the first and foremost element in an array, considering it as a minimum element. That is how we will be comparing with the rest of all the elements. Now min equal to ARR of 0 means min is 66. Now let us go into this for loop. For I equal to 0, you can also start from 1, but it is better that you can also start from 0. It is not a big deal. But if you want to reduce the number of iterations, you can start from I equal to 1. That is considering with the next element. Because anyhow this element will not be, condition will not be satisfied. Let us check once again. I equal to 0. Is 0 less than, what is the n value? N value is 5. Is 0 less than 5? Condition is true. If condition is true, your control enters into this for loop and we are going to check the condition. ARR of, what is I value? 0. In ARR of 0, what is the element we have? 66. Is 66 less than 66? Because in min we have 66, right? 66 less than 66, condition is false. So there is no need of updating the minimum. Next, increment the I value by 1. Increment I value by 1. I plus plus. Now I value will become 1. Is 1 less than 5? Condition is true. Now again check. ARR of 1. In ARR of 1, what is the element we have? 33. Is 33 less than 66? Condition is true. Then minimum is equal to 33. Now minimum is updated with 33. In minimum, we are updating with 33. Next, I value is, earlier it was 1, now I value is 2. I value is 2. 2 less than 5, condition is true. Again we are going to enter into this block. ARR of 2. In ARR of 2, what is the element we have? 1. Is 1 less than, what is the minimum value? 33. 1 less than 33, condition is true. Now minimum is updated with ARR of 2. What is the value of ARR of 2? 1. Now minimum is updated with 1. Next iteration I plus plus. Now I value is 3. Is 3 less than 5? Condition is true. Again it enters into the block. If ARR of 3 less than minimum is ARR of 3. In ARR of 3 what is the element we have? 78. Is 78 less than 1? Condition is false. So minimum is not updated. Next I plus plus. Now I value is 4. Is 4 less than 5? Condition is true. Now ARR of 4. What is the element we have in ARR of 4? We have 4. 4 less than, what is the minimum element? 1. 4 less than 1. The condition is failed. So minimum value will not update. Next increment I value by 1. I plus plus. I value will become 5. Is 5 less than 5? No. Then it will stop the iterations. So once your for loop iterations are stopped, it will go for the next statement. That is, the smallest or minimum number is, anyhow in min we have the value, that value we are displaying, that is 1. So this is how we can find a minimum or the smallest number out of given list of integers. So let us check with one more test case. Now I am giving the number of elements, the size of the array as 8. So I need to input 8 elements. I am randomly inputting 8 elements. I am giving some random elements, 8 elements in random. I am giving one over here. So the smallest or minimum number is 1. Out of this given 8 integers, the smallest element is 1. So just check the logic working fine with a small number of elements. Then you can apply for any number of elements and find what is the minimum element by your logic. So this is how we can find the minimum element from the given list of elements.